3, 2, 1.
The lymphatic system helps return fluid that leaks from the blood vessels back to what system? The answer is C, cardiovascular. What is a cyclist's helmet typically shaped like? The answer is B, oval. What was the occupation of Klaus Fuchs, who was convicted of spying for the Soviet Union? The answer is A, theoretical physicist. Which word comes from a Greek word meaning imitator of all? The answer is D, pantomime. I'm massive, majestic, and always wear a white suit. What am I? The answer is D, mountain. What is the word for a group of wolves? The answer is C, a pack. Who holds the record for most Grand Slam titles in singles tennis? The answer is D, Margaret Court. Who urinated on Jerry's new couch in the series Seinfeld? The answer is D, Poppy. How many times was Larry David nominated for an Emmy Award for his work on the Seinfeld series? The answer is B, 12. What color is the traditional French naval uniform, popularized by Coco Chanel? The answer is D, navy. Which Roman mythological creature had the head of a bird and the body of a woman? The answer is C, harpy. Capital of Russia with St. Basil's Cathedral. What am I? The answer is B, Moscow. Which organelle controls protein synthesis? The answer is C, ribosome. What color is a chameleon's tongue? The answer is D, green. Which spice is used in a curry powder blend, but not in garam masala? The answer is B, cloves. Though I'm blue, I'm often used to sweeten drinks. What am I? The answer is C, cherry syrup. What wears a skirt but has no legs? The answer is A, table. Which school supply is used for marking textbooks and notes? The answer is A, highlighter. Oxytocin, which stimulates the contractions of labor, is a type of what? The answer is A, hormone. What brilliant actress said, "If you're killed, you've lost a very important part of your life"? The answer is D. Brooke Shields. My walls have many doors but not a single one. What am I? The answer is B. A factory. I help you dry off, but I'm not a towel. What am I? The answer is D. Hairdryer. Who was the first ruler of the Roman Empire? The answer is A. Augustus Caesar. Which layer of Earth's atmosphere does auroras typically occur? The answer is D. Ionosphere. In which kind of animals does parthenogenesis occur? The answer is A. Invertebrates. Which ocean is known as the Eastern Sea? The answer is A. Indian Ocean. The force exerted on an object and distance traveled have what kind of relationship? The answer is D. Direct. What is a segment of garlic called? The answer is A. Clove. I'm round and flat like a disc, but I can write. What am I? The answer is D. Pen. What energy change takes place when a piece of bread is toasted in a toaster? The answer is B. Electrical energy to heat energy. Who was the first U.S. president to be born in the 19th century? The answer is D. Millard Fillmore. In Alice's Adventures in Wonderland, who tells Alice she has a nice smile? The answer is C. The Mad Hatter. What wears a mask and has a body of water? The answer is A. A river. Che Guevara was nicknamed Chancho by his schoolmates. What does this word mean? The answer is C. Pig. In what 2006 movie did Winona Ryder portray a woman called Siri? The answer is B. The Darwin Awards. I hold countless stories under my depths and I am vast. Yet, you drink a part of me daily. What am I? The answer is B. Glass. Which fashion item is associated with the 80s? The answer is C. Halter necks. What is the programming language used to create Google's Android operating system? The answer is B. Java. On what date did the show Mama's Family debut? The answer is C. January 22, 1983. I am carried by the poor, treasured by the rich. What am I? The answer is D. Book. Which disease causes mad cow? The answer is C. Mad cow disease beta C. What is the NATO Axe Management Agency responsible for? The answer is D. Air control. What is the name of the element with atomic number 15 on the periodic table? The answer is B. Nitrogen. In modern slang, what is the term for abruptly cutting off all communication, especially with a romantic partner? The answer is A. Ghosting. What network airs The Bachelor? The answer is A. ABC. Which author wrote The Silmarillion? The answer is D. J.R.R. Tolkien. I'm the capital of a country that has the shortest official name. What am I? The answer is A. Vatican City. Which Indian bread is cooked on a hot griddle and stuffed with spiced potatoes or paneer? The answer is D. Stuffed kulcha. What is Brexit in the context of UK politics? The answer is B. The departure of Britain from EU. Who set the record for the fastest speed by a human on land 1,278 km/h?